Para sa balitang lokal, supply sa isda sa Davao Region nagpabiling bastante.
Weather forecast. Heat index for April 24, 2024.
International news. Heavy rain lashes several parts of the United Arab Emirates, dumping over a year and a half worth of rain on the desert city.
Para sa balitang sports, NCAA Season 99 Most Improved Player and former Perpetual Altas star June Roque has committed to play for the Letran Knights.
Scarlet Heart, Pride version. GMM TV delighted netizens after they revealed the poster of Scarlet Heart, Thailand on Tuesday. Naghahandog ng daan sa balita.
Matanong bayan, boses ng katotohanan.
Newsway Patrol.
Naghahandog ng katotohanan lamang.
Mayong adlaw mga Dabawenyo. Ako si Neil Andre Layugeng.
Ako si Liberty Lay A. Cabiles.
O ako si John Stanley C. Carino.
Ako si Trisha Eunice Layugen.
Ako si Marlene Matute.
Opinia. Newsway Patrol.
Sa kasamtangang panahon sa Lakbayan sa Davao, iklaro sa Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources kung BFAR 11 na nagpabiling bastante ang supply sa isda sa Davao Region. Luyo pa man sa hulga sa El Niño Fenomeno, dugang sa buwatan, nagpabiling igo ang fish production sa Davao Region. Walay natala ang pagsaka sa presyo sa isda sa merkado sa Rio.
Dubai submerged and flooded as UAE gets over a year's worth of rain in hours. By the end of Tuesday, more than 142 milliliters of rain had soaked over Dubai in 24 hours. The rain began late on Monday, soaking the sands and roads of Dubai with some 20 milliliters of rain. According to meteorological data collected at Dubai International Airport, the storm intensified at about 9 a.m. on Tuesday, continued throughout the day, dumping more rain and hail over the overwhelmed city.
More areas in the country continue to be under dangerous levels of heat. Capiz and Zamboanga del Sur are expected to have the highest heat index at 45 degrees Celsius. As for Metro Manila, the forecasted heat index is at 42 degrees Celsius. With this heat, be sure to stay hydrated and keep cool.
June Roque has found a new home month after ending a 2-year stint with the University of Perpetual Health System, Delta and NCA. The 6'4" rising star confirmed that he transferred to Colegio de San Juan de Letran, where he would reunite with other former Altas in Mark Del Omega and Carlo Ferreras.
Tutok tawad, Queen ng tawid, first anangkon, huwe ng lasupet, Thai tawad, nanon korpan, fourth na tawad, and fourth year champion. Will start the upcoming 5 adoption of Scarlet Heart 5 versions. GMM TV delighted the netizen after they revealed the poster of Scarlet Heart Thailand on Tuesday.
Di ka nakalabay?
Lilibay, labo kayo mga gabi.
Patutuya.
Luboy, marog ako eh. Wala ko chance sa inyo.
Kung siya man ang
Ako, si Marlon A. Matute.
At ako naman si Jack Stanley C. Capitio.
At ako, Jill Angel Leoge, nagbabalita. Newsway!